Western Essex and Western Union, in the following areas: in New York, Orange, Putnam, Rockland, and Northern Westchester, and the following areas: in Connecticut, Northern Fairfield, and Northern New Haven.
I missed it.
Winter storm warning in effect from midnight Monday night to midnight Tuesday night. The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a winter storm warning for heavy snow, which is in effect from midnight Monday night to midnight Tuesday night. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Accumulations: snow accumulation of 12 to 18 inches. Locations: portions of northeastern New Jersey, Orange, Putnam, Rockland, Northern Westchester, Northern Fairfield, and Northern New Haven counties. Hazard types: heavy snow. Snow accumulations: 12 to 18 inches. Timing: late Monday night through Tuesday evening. Impacts: hazardous travel and potential for power outages. Winds: northeast 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Temperatures: in the mid to upper 20s. Visibilities: 1/4 mile or less at times. A winter storm warning for heavy snow means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Significant amounts of snow are forecast that will make travel dangerous. Only travel in an emergency. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency.
I'll stop the before the end. Thomas.
Here is the latest.